This video is the second part of our videos on cost flow assumption. Today, we will cover LIFO, or last in, first out.
The LIFO cost flow assumption says that we are always going to be selling the newest goods.
So the goods remaining in ending inventory will be 2,000 of the gallons from our initial or first purchase. That means our ending inventory will consist of 2,000 gallons times the $2 we paid per gallon.
So our ending inventory will be $4,000, and our cost of goods sold will be the 30,000 units that were the newest units. So we're going to be talking about 8,000 units at $2, plus 8,000 units at $2.10, plus 6,000 units at $2.05, plus 8,000 units at $2, or $61,100.
One unusual feature of LIFO is if you were in business for 300 years and never sold those original gallons, you'd be reporting that you still have those gallons you bought 300 years ago. Now, let's talk about our third cost flow assumption option, and that is weighted average.
And the weighted average simply says, hey, I'm not sure which units I'm selling. We'll just say we sold the average unit. Well, how do we get an average?
We get an average by simply adding up all of the costs in inventory and divide by the number of total units.
So we have to find out our average cost per gallon. So our average cost per gallon is going to be all of these costs.
So we're going to take the first purchase of 10,000 times $2, plus the second 8,000 times $2.10, plus the 8,000 times $2.05, and so on and so forth till we go through all the purchases and divide by the total number of units we purchased, which was 32,000. Now, we're going to say in our ending inventory that we have 2,000 units left. Remember, we sold 30,000 of our 32,000 gallons. So our ending inventory is 2,000 units times $2.03, and our cost of goods sold
is going to be 30,000 units times $2.03. So the weighted average method says, hey, I can't identify with any clarity which units have been sold. I'm just going to say we sold the average units.
And the interesting thing about weighted average is it's constantly changing. Every time you buy something, you have to adjust it. Thanks for watching, and please stay tuned for our other FSCJ educational videos.